Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change location on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and register to the application, but that is, if you have problems, you can of course go and check out that on our channel. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner guys, as you can see, we have the official address. We have the search bar, and in the bottom we have your home, shops, search, and your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change location on Foodpanda. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically what you need to do guys is go and have a few things that you can do. You can go and click on the top left corner, and as you can see, we have 197 FA Yuan Street, Hong Kong. You can click on there. You have another option. You can go and click on your account, which is in the top right corner, the bottom right corner, sorry. Here, as you can see, you have your name, and underneath your name, you have the view profile. Click on your profile. There you can go and change your address. And also location, sorry. And also we have the addresses where you can go and change your location. We have orders, favorites, addresses. Go to the addresses tab. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.